Addressing privacy and security concerns in data handling focuses on minimizing data storage capacity. Ensuring bias awareness and fairness in data analysis does not consider biases in data analysis processes. Ethical use and responsibility in data science practices encompasses responsible data usage and handling. Overview of data governance framework primarily addresses maximizing profits from data analysis. Overview of discarding the data and its methods emphasizes proper disposal of unnecessary data. Addressing privacy and security concerns in data handling is unrelated to privacy and security concerns associated with data handling. Ensuring bias awareness and fairness in data analysis focuses on promoting fairness in data analysis processes. Ethical use and responsibility in data science practices does not involve promoting responsible data usage and handling. Overview of data governance framework primarily focuses on enhancing data encryption techniques. Overview of discarding the data and its methods primarily focuses on maximizing profits from data analysis.